This is Julie's bike. Good morning, Julie.
Hello.
What can you tell us about your bike?
I love it. What else do you need to know?
You're looking forward to today's ride then?
Very much so, a bit nervous.
Good morning.
Morning, Paul. How you doing? All right?
Yeah, very good, thank you.
Looking forward to it?
Yeah, very much so, yeah.
Yeah?
Been the biggest ride for a while, so...
Excellent.
Yeah,
I'm sure it'll all go well.
No, I think it'll be nice, yeah. Four or five of us, perfect.
That's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah,
And there's Nathan here as well.
Good morning.
From local, yeah, Retford?
Yeah, Retford.
Yeah, so you know some of these trails already?
Some of them, yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Excellent. Is this normal sort of riding for you as well?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It'll be my longest ride if I finish it.
Positive, you will.
Yeah.
You'll be fine. So hello, good morning, it's Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures. Welcome to another video. If you haven't already, do hit the subscribe button. What you're going to watch today is a group gravel ride that's organised. So I'm here at Clumber Park. There's the gate over there. So it can be a good day. We've got some shop stops in there, cafe stop over at the grain store at Doddington Hall. It's going to be a great one. Hope you can stick around to join this. But before we do, here's my bike. I've chosen the gravel bike over the mountain bike. So it's the Nukeproof factory digger, suspension, aero bars, tail fin. Tried to carry as little as possible, but all the essentials. I'm absolutely loving this mudguard, by the way. This design is by Adam Hayes. Go give him a follow over Instagram. And today I'm riding again with a Chorus Dura. Let's get that route in there, shall we? It's 160k. Click on start in a minute and get going. We're just going through the lake here at Clumber Park. After navigating the woods covered in leaves. It's very leafy. So it's 100 miles today. Few stops, cafe in there. Good to see four of us out. Didn't want too many people showing up. One nice small group. Weather is perfect, it's superb. Not too warm, not too cold. No wind, dry. Just a perfect autumn day. This is another ride out with my Chorus Dura, and it's amazing battery life. I've done about 320k and it's down to 67%, but most of it's been off-road as well, so that's pretty good. Over 24 hours on the bike, so I'm super impressed with that. I'm going to be putting it through some challenges this autumn and winter, see how long we can ride before it dies, yeah. How are you finding it so far, Nathan?
Not too bad today. Weather's beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Couldn't think it's a better day.
I noticed you've not gone for a mudguard today.
No, it's not wet enough yet.
Yeah. It's not too cold for it, is it? No. You can dry out pretty quickly. A little bit of climbing today. I was surprised it's 1,000 metres, to be honest, but I think it's well spread out. I can feel rain. That's not good, is it? Just going through Sherwood Pines, getting lost a little bit. Beautiful route though, so yeah, having a fantastic time. Can't believe it's raining though, it's not good, is it? Morning! Just heading down the Southall Trail, the westernmost edges, where it meets Clipstone Forest, and it's a lovely descent all the way down. Got Julie behind me there somewhere. Paul in front and Nathan right at the front leading us down the hill. So this route starts out on some relatively benign trails through the woodlands of Nottinghamshire. It's probably where the most of the energy is spent at the beginning as we head further east towards Lincolnshire. Less strenuous rides and hills and things. A few more fields we're going to be going through. Flattens out, so I'm going to make the most of this downhill section. So into the outback we go. What do you think to the ride so far, Julie?
Oh, it's been fabulous.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Yeah. I'll probably going proper off-road now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Great route. Proper off-road now, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if your slicks manage it.
I know. I can say it was just like that in the summer as well. Got it? Got it?
Got it.
Got it, you got it. Everything you need, you got it. So, just arrived at the Dura GPS Trail, aka the NCN 64, 647 actually. So we're here and we're just going to be following the trail past South Clifton, Wigsley, Harby Station as well, and coming off somewhere into we're going into Doddington Hall. So I think we're coming down this yellow route here and up that green route into here. Look, resurfaced this bit, which was if you ever in this way, it was bumpy with tree roots all the way along it. Nathan has headed back. He's having tyre issues, couldn't keep any air in, so it was like 10 miles from home. So there's three of us heading towards Doddington Hall now. And I absolutely love riding Nottingham. All the colours, the reds especially. Oh, I can see you right now. But it's a beautiful time of year to be out here riding the bike. So at the moment, I can see it's kind of a typical NCN where it's not that fantastic. However, apart from resurfacing that trail, it looks like they've cut back a little bit this, I'm not sure. I think so. Anyway, next stop, first pub stop, Doddington Hall and the grain store. I must apologise if sound's not great. I've not put the wind muff on. Just came off earlier on. I've just left that is. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It's not very windy, but I know it doesn't take a great deal. So this is the Threadborough Viaduct, dividing the counties of Nottinghamshire and Lincolnshire across the River Trent. Oh dear.
It's on my wheel.
So we're just leaving the grain store at Doddington Hall. I've had a chai latte and burger and chips. What did you have, Julie?
I had a coffee and walnut cake.
And Paul had the same as me, didn't you?
Me, yeah.
Yeah.
And a latte.
Yeah, I thought it was really quick as well, wasn't it?
It was
I
good,
thought-
yeah. Hyperbike. You never told us there was hyperbike.
I did. They're heading across the River Trent in the opposite direction now, back into Lincolnshire, leaving Torksey power station overhead. Got loads of mud in my shoe. Been a great ride so far. Enjoyed it. Weather's been smashing. Not been too much of the way rain. Weather's been good at it, Paul.
Yeah. It's nice round here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice one, isn't it?
It's peaceful. So this is the Torksey Viaduct.
What river is this?
The River Trent.
River Trent, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. The old railway, isn't it?
Yeah. Long time ago. Don't ask me when. I'm quite sure when it was called. Oh yeah, by the way.
Yeah, there's a few steps here.
Yeah, I just went over the fence last time. Oh, there's a stone there. Thank you. Next one.
Oh, thank you.
Right. Right. Stone out my shoe as well. I'm glad there's only three of us. Imagine selling there like 20 bikes, ending them across at one at a time.
Yeah, right.
A little concerned that the trail might be quite waterlogged. But given how dry it's been over the last few weeks, maybe not. Only one way to find out. Can't avoid it, it's the only way to get out of here. Right, so we're going to go over there. There's not a great deal to see. Just into the last 30 miles. Cross fields at the moment, heading away from South Wheatley towards Clayworth. So we've got some gravel tracks to do, a bit of woodland. The guys ahead of me somewhere, I just stopped for another quick nature break. All going well. Probably speak to you next when I get back to the van, because soon there'll be nothing to see. So I stopped at Morrison's Daily Theme for Life. Julie's bike, shoulder bag, top tube bag, one of those handlebar bags. That's the word I was looking for. And similar over here as well, instead of being a throwing bag. Me, travelled really light. Minute tube down there, 2 water bottles. One of them's been full all day. Plates and stuff. Top tube bag. That's it. Just trying to kind of be light as possible this time of year. Getting towards the end of this ride. That's not really good in picture, but that's the NCN marker number 6. Coming into the woods at Clumber. Got 6k to go. What's that? Less than 4 miles.
Now we're nearly back.
I'll try and stay here behind to give you a bit of light.
Thank you.
Your light's played up.
It's my head torch. I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
Final stretch along Lime Tree Avenue. A couple of miles to go, it says on the screen. I'm not sure it's as long as that, to be honest. Anyway, nearly over. Had a really good time. I don't know, talking of time, I haven't the foggiest idea what time it is. Really good feature I've seen on the Cora is, I don't know if you can see on the bottom screen, well, read it anyway, it says endpoint 3.7, and that's the POI that I put on the route using Dura GPS, and all the way through the route, you know, I put POIs down and it's told me the distance to the next one every time. All that one screen, really good, really useful. Well, that's it, ride over with, back at the van. Nice warm, got changed. You won't see the next video, but the plan is to drive to Fiskerton, which is a little village near Southall and Newark. So I'm going to park up there, sleep in the van and go for another gravel ride tomorrow. It's going to be going to Nottingham and probably pop to a Cafe Velo Verde as well. So I haven't been there for a while, but I think the camera is going to stay in the van. I'm just going to go enjoy it for myself. Hopefully the weather stayed as good as it was today, which was spot on. Really enjoyed it. The route was top notch. I did a good job. Right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.